Hi scientists, welcome back to another fun experiment. Today we're going to be using gummy bears so that we can study the process of osmosis. Now, osmosis is the process of water moving from a high concentration to a low concentration. And I'm going to talk about that a little bit more in a second, but first I'm going to be putting some gummy bears into my cups. Now, I'm testing a variety of different liquids. You could just try this with water, or you could try it with any liquid that you are curious about. I put 2 gummy bears in each cup, and now I am going to be adding some water into the first cup. And the reason that I put 2 gummy bears in there is because I was curious if the colors would make a difference. So I have a red and a white gummy bear in there. Now I am adding some rubbing alcohol. This is 90% rubbing alcohol, but you could use 70%. And then I'm going to be adding some mineral oil or baby oil, but you could also use olive oil or vegetable oil. I'm going to be using some 3% hydrogen peroxide. And again, if you have a different kind of hydrogen peroxide, a different percentage, you can use that too. And then I'm ending it with some vinegar. And the last cup I'm going to leave empty because that is my control, so that I can see if there is a difference between the gummy bears in liquid versus gummy bears that are not in liquid. And the way this experiment is going to work is, as I stated before, we're going to be observing osmosis. Now, as you can imagine, in the cup of water, there are a lot of water molecules, except in the gummy bear. The gummy bear has a lot of concentrated sugar. Now, we've done some experiments on this channel before where we looked at how the sugar would diffuse through the water. But because the gummy bear is contained in this gelatin membrane, the sugars can't very easily diffuse out, and it is actually quicker and a more energy efficient process for the water to diffuse into the gummy bear. And when water diffuses from a high concentration into a place where there is less of it, that is called osmosis. And as it does that, you can see that it made the gummy bear swell up and fill with water. And you don't see that happening with the ethanol or the oil because there aren't water molecules in there. The hydrogen peroxide has water, and so does the vinegar, so you can see that those gummy bears also got quite swollen and big. And it's just really fun to kind of see how these different liquids move into this gelatin matrix of the gummy bear.
This actually feels kind of this is hard. This one's so hard compared to this one. And this one's basically the same. This one's like gel. So look, I push it. Now look at the one in the oil. You feel the one in the oil. It's exactly the same. This guy and the whatever it's called feel dry.
Alcohol.
He's the closest to this one. Oh, the oil is. These two are probably the closest. It's like this one, this one. This one's definitely this one. That one, this one. This one's definitely the closest. He's the biggest.
Now, it took us about 24 hours for us to see this big difference in the size of our gummy bears, so be patient and give it a try at home. It's a really fun thing to watch, and they feel really fun, and it's just a really neat way to observe osmosis. I hope you get to try it at home. And until next time, keep discovering.